Welcome to our training on homogenizers. In this video, we will discuss the pulsation damper mounted on a homogenizer. We will explain what it does, how it should be maintained, and how long it lasts. A pulsation damper is an essential component of a homogenizer. The device reduces pressure fluctuations and pulsations that occur during the homogenization process. These pressure fluctuations can be harmful to the equipment and negatively affect product quality. Our pulsation dampers are made of EPDM, a type of synthetic rubber. EPDM stands for ethylene propylene DNA monomer and is known for its excellent resistance to heat, ozone, and aging. These dampers work by absorbing and smoothing out pressure spikes, thereby maintaining a more constant pressure. The EPDM material can absorb and dissipate the energy of the pulsations, reducing the impact on the rest of the machine. For the maintenance of the pulsation damper, the following steps are important. Visual inspection. Regularly check the pulsation damper for leaks, cracks, or other visible damage to the EPDM material. A visual inspection can help identify early signs of problems. Visual inspection. Regularly check the pulsation damper for leaks, cracks, or other visible damage to the EPDM material. A visual inspection can help identify early signs of problems. Pressure check. Check the pressure in the damper if possible. This can usually be done via a pressure gauge mounted on the damper. The pressure must be within the limits specified by the manufacturer. EPDM maintenance. The EPDM material can wear out or harden over time. Check the flexibility of the EPDM and replace the damper if signs of hardening or cracking are visible. Cleaning. Clean the outside of the pulsation damper to prevent dirt and dust from accumulating, which could affect its operation. The lifespan of a pulsation damper varies depending on usage and maintenance practices. With regular maintenance and correct operating conditions, an EPDM pulsation damper can last for several years, often between 2 and 5 years, depending on the operating conditions. In summary, the pulsation damper is crucial for ensuring stable and efficient operation of the homogenizer. Regular maintenance, such as visual inspection, pressure checks, and cleaning contributes to a longer lifespan and better performance of the damper. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next training video.